Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So when it comes to desserts, I tend to lean towards pies or donuts. That's just my thing. But when I do crave a cake, I love making this cream cheese pound cake. It is so delicious. And if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you guys, I have a second channel here on YouTube and it's called April Time. And I would really love it if you can go over and subscribe and support it. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video for both channels, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So instead of using all-purpose flour, I'm going to go ahead and use some cake flour. And cake flour is usually more finely milled and it makes cakes a lot more lighter and softer. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 3 cups of cake flour and sift it in a strainer. Okay, so I'm going to sit my cake flour to the side because right now I'm going to add 3 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter to the mixing bowl, along with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and of course 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And it's just always important to note, not only does room temp ingredients affect the texture of the cake, but it just makes it so much easier to blend. And you want to cream all these ingredients together for 3 minutes at a very high speed. And because we're not using any baking powder or baking soda, you want to whip up enough air into the mixture so it turns out light and fluffy. And while it's mixing, you want to slowly add in 2 3/4 cups of sugar to the mixture. And now I'm ready to add 6 eggs, 1 at a time, to the bowl, and of course remember to make sure that they're at room temp. And from time to time you want to scrape the sides of the bowl, making sure that you're mixing everything together. So now you want to turn the mixer on a lower speed because now you're going to add half of the cake flour. Oh, and just so you know, I sped it up just to move things along, but you definitely want to mix it at a very low speed. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and then the rest of the cake flour. Now once the cake flour is in, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So my cake batter is done, it's light and fluffy, and you can even lick the bowl afterwards. So off camera, I went ahead and I greased and floured my bundt pan, and I kind of went overboard because I wanted to make sure that my cake falls out okay. And of course, I forgot to turn the camera on when I filled the bundt pan with the batter, but here it is. And I've already preheated the oven at 325, and I'm going to let my cake bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So my cake is ready to come out of the oven. It looks amazing, but you want to allow it to cool down for 20 minutes. So I have to admit, I was really nervous if the cake was going to come out the pan okay. So when it did, I was so happy. I mean, it came out perfect. And remember, I didn't add any baking powder or soda to it, so it rose perfectly. So I'm just going to cut a slice really quick because I want you guys to see up close. I mean, look how light and fluffy and airy that looks. I mean, with the cream cheese and the butter, and we used a little bit of vegetable oil, this cake is light and moist and absolutely delicious. Absolutely a 10 out of 10. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Hey, follow me on my new channel, Time with April, here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.